What is going on, guys? Welcome to the first, I guess, official modding video of the R32 GTR. I mean, we started modding and then that happened. So now we're going back to modding and we're continuing our trend of carbon fiber only add-ons. And if you guys come back here with me, so we're gonna be replacing this chunk of a boy, and way in the back we have voila, this. So thanks to the guys at Seibon for sending me this Seibon Carbon fiber hood. It's the DV2 hood, I believe. And honestly, the airflow and everything's gonna help keep the engine cooler, because if you guys do not know, R32s or just Skyline GTRs in general have a really big tendency to just kind of overheat or just be really hot. So this is definitely gonna help with that. And overall, it's like, and looks, I mean, have a full-on carbon fiber hood. So I think it's a really all well-rounded mod that we should do to the car, and it should be a piece of cake because it's just unbolting a couple stuff and then getting the windshield wiper thingamabobs on there. But yeah, I'm really stoked to see how this is gonna look when we're done with it today. Let's just plop these little thingies off. You know, I don't think these things actually work. Or like, I can't imagine them actually working.
This hose wasn't connected.
Oh, then there you go. There you go. Alright, well we should save these. Let's put that one right there.
Someone get some water. No, seriously. This one's zip tied, but then the rest are like not.
Interesting. Oh yeah, that one just plops off.
Oh.
Yeah, these just plop off. So you could just wiggle and jiggle.
You should probably.
Yeah. It's like wiggling out a tooth.
Yeah.
It's just, you gotta.
Dentist Tom. Yeah, right?
Tommy the dentist.
Extracting this cavity.
Yeah.
Was that a racist joke?
Was it? It only was if you made it that way.
You got a point.
These were like not even fully on. Kind of scary.
It was already loose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we hook it up?
There we go.
There we go.
Wait, okay.
Okay, unlatch it from the.
Oh heck. Oh. Okay.
Okay. What do you
Mission accomplished.
Back that way then? This is like, let's go that way.
Like, go over here, tilt it.
Okay.
Tilt it vertical.
All right, let it go. There we go.
I just wanna, hang on, let me try and see how heavy. Oh, this is really light already.
It's probably.
So it's not, yeah, it's not, I mean, they've been known that they're pretty light hoods. So as far as weight reduction, it's not the most necessary thing to get a carbon fiber hood, but. Now it's cool, because we have one of those show exposed front engine setups right there. I need a front strut bar. That would look really good.
Wait, you're gonna put it there? Okay. You guys got it?
Yeah. Should we get that thing, like maybe help support it? Maybe can we get some light?
Light? I got you. I'll just use my phone light, I guess.
Yeah, that's pretty much what we've been doing this whole time.
Oh, okay.
Where am I putting?
We're having fitment issues with the bracket below. Are we gonna try and pull off? We might be able to just get 3. We got that side all dialed in, but it's hard just to get all 4.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Yeah, it's in.
Okay,
Get
so
that.
how far off are we on this last one?
Yeah.
Are you gonna put that one all the way?
We're about 3 millimeters off.
That's a lot.
Is that a? It's not gonna go in.
It's the true struggle with carbon fiber. Is not everything is always perfectly aligned.
Yeah, try it. Slowly lower it.
Slowly lowering. Watching this side.
Yep, you got clearance on this side. Alright, you're good to go a little quicker now. Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Oh
Watch it
boy.
be like a 1 jab hand.
Test out the fitment overall. Yeah.
I can fit my pinky in.
Is it way tighter on that?
This is my thumb. Yeah, thumb fit. Oh god. Vertical.
Oh wait, that's about the same.
Yeah, it's about the same. You
Yeah,
are going
so
at
it's
an
actually.
angle. You have to go at.
Yeah.
It's not.
Well, I guess it's not closed either.
There's the. Holy cow.
Should we just close it and see what happens, or?
No.
You should.
I meant like.
Is that closed?
No.
Do you want to explain what we're doing here?
Okay, so basically we don't know if it's hitting any pieces here, which is stopping it from closing.
Yeah.
So you put this on pieces where you may think it's gonna hit, and then it'll transfer over to the hood. And then you can see, and if we need to, we can modify the hood or down here.
Yeah.
And just wipe it up like they've done.
So
let's see. Let's
Frosting saves the day.
This is a really.
It looks like we're making a cooking recipe right
I think that we were detailing last week.
How to cook an R32 GTR.
Technique right here.
Oh my god.
Even the experts do not know this.
Is this Tim approved?
Yo, I don't know about this, man. Yeah, I mean, it's not my car, so.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Modern problems require modern solutions.
Tim can't like watch this right now. This is too.
Oh, that's a lot.
It's gonna be kind of hard to get out shooting it. It's fine.
Okay.
Let's get someone to lick it.
I'm pretty sure you can
Got you. They just look it off. What if it was a chocolate chip cookie?
Yeah.
Kind of like push it down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sensual.
Is there?
There's a
Right
couple
here,
marks
too.
right here.
Oh, what the?
Yeah, right here.
Oh,
I mean, this is where the seal is.
yeah. Yeah, I mean that's okay.
This is a seal.
But as long as it's not like all across here, then you know that it's fine. Or here.
We're just trying to get. We got the bolts all in. Now we just got to get it to shut. So, basically, what we did was we completely detached the brackets down here so that we could align it and get all 4 bolts on. And it fits. It all fits now. So we got all that going. And then now we're just finalizing putting back the windshield fluid thingy-mabobbers.
Yeah, I think this one fits worse.
Yeah, here.
Swapping them out.
That's pretty much down all the way
Trying
now.
to get it, see if they.
She a squirter.
make it wet.
And then
Is she a squirter?
The back.
hey, that one kind of works.
It works.
I mean,
What the hell? It just only like did it to there.
I mean,
That's fine. It's
I think
2 out of 3. In a desperate situation, it could work.
It's not like you're taking this out in the rain all the time.
It's a quality.
Well, it's not the rain. It's like in the desert.
Shut up! No.
These are for the rain.
But when rain comes down the windshield, you don't need water to spray.
I'll just bring it out so that we could just take a look at it in the sunlight.
yeah,
Boilers haven't heard this thing yet, have you?
we need Tim to be
Here, just to detail everything. That was the first cold start. That was the first cold start. Oh, that is so much more aggressive. Oh my. I just love how that just like fluidly goes. You can barely peep the Fujimura lip in the back. Just it goes so well with the wing setup that I have going in the back.
see the valve cover through the vent tile.
Wait, really?
Just a little bit of it.
Oh, yo, that's sick. That's sick. Well, it's already is. Thank you, Seibon, for this beautiful piece. Oh, it looks so sick just seeing that little divot right there. Woo!